Good morning, guys. I'm John Kirby Bautista and I'm from BSCE 2A. In this video, I am going to discuss the line plot, scatter diagram, and the stem and leaf plot. The first one is the line plot. A line plot is a type of graph that uses number line in order to help us display data. So this is example of a line plot. A group of students were surveyed about the number of pets they have at home. The results are below. Create a line plot to display the data. So ito yung data natin. Yung 1, 0, 0, 3, 6, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. So ang ginawa ko is in-arrange ko muna siya or in-organize ko ng mas maayos para mas madali ko siyang maisulat. So, in-arrange ko siya from lowest to highest, which is ang lowest ko is 0 and ang highest ko ay 6. Then, create a number line. So, yan na yung ating number line. Ngayon, isulat na natin yung mga value ng ating data. Ngayon, ilalagay na natin yung naka-display na data natin dito sa ating number line. Sa 0. Pwede tayong maglagay ng X or dot. 0. Dalawa ang 0 natin. Then 1, dalawa din. 2, 4. 3, dalawa. 4, isa. 5, wala tayong 5. Then 6, isa. Scatter plots are an awesome way to display two variable data, that is data with only two variables, and make predictions based on the data. These type of plots show individual data values as opposed to histogram and box and whisker plots. Here's a scatter plot of the amount of money earned each week working at his father's store. The weeks are plotted on the x-axis and the amount of money he earned for that week is plotted on the y-axis. In general, the independent variable, the variable that isn't influenced by anything, is on the x-axis. And the dependent variable, the one that is affected by the independent variable, is plotted on the y-axis. Using this plot, we can see that in week 2, Mateo earned about $125 and in week 18, he earned about $165. More important is the trend of the data. For example, with this data set, it is clear that Mateo is earning more each week. Maybe his father is giving him more hours per week or more responsibilities. Correlation. With scatter plots, we often talk about how the variables relate to each other. This is called correlation. There are three types of correlation: the positive, negative, and none or the no correlation. Positive correlation: as one variable increases, so does the other. Height and shoe size are an example. As one's height increases, so does the shoe size. Negative correlation: as one variable increases, the other decreases. Time spent studying and time spent on video games are negatively correlated as your time studying increases. Time spent on video games decreases. No correlation. There is no apparent relationship between the variables. Video game scores and shoe size appear to have no correlation. As one increases, the other one is not affected. Mateo's scatter plot has a pretty strong positive correlation. As the week increases, his paycheck does too. Stem and leaf plot. A stem and leaf plot or stem and leaf display is a process for presenting quantitative data in a graphical format, similar to a histogram, to assist in visualizing the shape of distribution. Here is a set of data on showing the test scores on the last science quiz. We have the 56, 78, 82, 82, 90, 94, 93, 67, 67, 69, 74, 77, 92, 88, 81, 83, 84, 77, 72. Para mas lalo natin maunawaan kung ano nga ba ang stem and leaf plot, first is i-organize muna natin siya from decades. kagaya ng 56, 67, 67, 69, 72, 74, 77, 77, 78, 81, 82, 82, 83, 84, 88, 90, 92, 93, 94. Then, mag-create tayo ng plot with the stem as the tens and the leaves as the ones. So, ang magiging stems natin is yung 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Diba? Ang dali lang. A stem and leaf plot is a great way to organize data by the frequency. It is a great visual that also includes the data. So if needed, you can just take a look to get an idea of the spread of data, or you can use the values to calculate the mean, median, or mode.